Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pie chart in Excel with percentages. First, organize your data neatly in two columns. One column should list your categories, like sales regions or expense types, and the other should contain the numerical values for each category. Once your data is ready, select both columns, including their headers, to prepare for chart creation. This simple setup is crucial for accurate visualization. Now that your data is selected, head over to the Insert tab at the top of your Excel window. Look for the Charts group, and you'll see an icon that looks like a pie. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering various pie chart styles. You can pick a simple two-dimensional pie or a more visually engaging three-dimensional one. Select the style that best suits your presentation needs. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. And on another note, are you tired of messy lunches? Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your pie chart now on the sheet, click on it to reveal the chart elements plus sign. Click this, then check the Data Labels box. For percentages, click the arrow next to Data Labels and select More options. In the Formatting pane, choose Percentage and uncheck Value to show only percentages. You can also adjust label position and font for better readability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.